ratio moves that occurred in those prior three bull markets. Now, we also happen to think that while gold does this, gold's the mama of the monetary metals. Silver's the baby. Gold miners are somewhat, the wild children of the gold market too. They oscillate violently, but we think that silver is now poised because of our technical analysis of its relationship to gold on a ratio basis, a spread basis. In July, when silver broke out on our annual momentum, so did its spread versus gold, meaning it shifted from underperformer to outperformer. And I think that will continue during the rest of this monetary bull market. I have an expectation that the way things look on macro technicals of many markets, foreign exchange, commodity situation, the pending stock market vulnerability, we'll get into that in a minute, that this bull market in gold is likely to come and go much more quickly than some of the prior ones. In other words, rather than incremental, which a lot of people are used to incremental trends, once you get going, you go at the same angle and all that stuff, that we could go chaos theory and go into a very rapid upside so that we could get to maybe that 8,000 gold by late this year, early next year. Would not surprise us at all. So where would that leave silver? Well, in our opinion, you could see silver over $200 an ounce. So if gold goes up another, 4 or 5-fold from where it is now, or 8-fold from its low, we think silver could easily go 10-fold from where it is now in the high 20s.
And is that on the same timeline?
Same timeline. Silver will move with gold. The issue is the percentage gain. While gold's making 10%, silver makes 20 or 30, And you see that often day-to-day action even. Over since the end of last year to the high we made today in these markets, gold went up, a nice good single-digit percent, but silver went up almost, $1.50, on a percent basis, much more than gold. And we think that ratio will continue and that silver will be a better place to be than gold on a percentage basis over the next year or so. And they're leaders. They went out front well before the commodity, quote, inflation even